Hello, in this video we're going to talk about bar graphs, specifically a histogram. Now a histogram is a bar graph, but a histogram is going to be a bar graph to a frequency distribution. Okay, so you can take a look at some of the videos on frequency distributions. Alright, so to start off with the bar graph, I need to identify the independent and dependent. Now this usually left-hand column will be your independent, and then the right-hand column will usually be the dependent. So we're going to start off with our two axes. Okay. Now, that wasn't too good. Alright, good enough. On the bottom, these are going to be our test scores. So let's write that in, test scores. And on the left-hand side will be the frequency. I'll just write FREQ for frequency. Now the test scores start at 45 and they go up to 80. So how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to mark off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright. So I'm going to label these. So this is going to be 45. This will be 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and then 80. Now, on the right-hand column over here tells me how many people got that score. So, for example, 5 people, right, got a score of 45. 17 people got a score of 60. Okay, and 16 people, right here, got a score of 70. Alright, so this is going to be my frequency axis. Now, it looks like it starts at 1. That's our lowest one, so we're going to just start at 0. And it goes up to 52. So I'm probably going to go up by 10s. So let's mark these. So we'll make it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we'll go up by 10s. So this will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, next, what you're going to do is you're going to start plotting some points. So, how many people scored 45? That was 5 people. Alright, so here's my 45, and 5 is about right here. Now what I'm going to do is then I'm going to put a little number above it, a little 5. It just reminds me that that actually is a 5. The frequency is 5. Move on to 50. We have a 21, so we'll go up to about 21, maybe a little bit higher. And then I'll write 21. Now we had 36 55s, so we'll move all the way up to 36. That's about right here. Alright, and then 17 for 60, that's about right there. 52 had a 65, so 52, that's up here. Alright, 16 had a 70, so 16 is about right there. And let's see, 2 had a 75. And then a 1 had an 80. That's going to be really low. Okay. Now these are all my points. A bar graph, alright, is the difference between a bar graph and a line graph is that, line graphs you would then just connect the dots. Okay. Bar graphs, what you're going to do is you're going to start from the x-axis and you're going to come up and just create a bar. Okay. And then we'd probably shade that in. And that's it. Now what you could do is you can let your bars touch, or you can give yourself a little gap. Okay, it really depends on what's going on in the problem. But we're just going to create our bars here. Okay, shade them in. Just going to keep doing that. And you can see again why the numbers above the bar is very useful, because in case you can't really tell what it is, you got the number right above it. Alright, so we got a 17. Alright, so this is our biggest bar. All right, very difficult to make on a computer. All right, we're almost done. Oops, missed that. Okay. And that's it. So there's our bar graph. You could label these. You can call this like your test score graph. We do have it marked down right here. And that is it.